So we're seeing a tremendous demand for RFID within all of our verticals as well as our markets throughout our customer base. Customers are trying to figure out how to make their operations more efficient and to be able to increase awareness of the edge data that they capture on a daily basis. That could be from receiving pallets in more efficiently, identifying products within the warehouse or the environment, as well as understanding what they've shipped and if it went onto the right truck.
In the warehouse, RFID Technologies provides visibility to assets that typically were hidden in years past, both at the dock door when they're coming inbound for put away, as well as for when they're being picked up by workers doing a pick and collapsing that information into their systems, in their warehouse management systems and management execution systems. One of the unique advantages of being a partner at Zebra is our ability to train and certify those partners in our technologies and our solutions. Zebra provides a certification program as well as the ongoing technical and operational support for any of these solutions that are engaged in the marketplace today. We staff these 24/7, 365 days a year, and we provide that customer satisfaction and service that one is expected.